In this video, I'll show you how to quickly remove backgrounds from photos using Photoshop. So right here, I don't have a very complex background in my image as you can see, but this should work for any sort of background you have. First of all, drag the third tool from the tools bar using your mouse and activate the lasso tool. Now draw a mask around the subject or object that you have in your image. I'm just gonna make sure not to touch this dog with my mouse. That sounds weird, but when your mask is ready, click on select and mask, then simply click on select subject. As you can see, the background is kinda isolated from the subject now, and if you're dealing with hair in your image, click on refine hair, but this bad boy right here obviously doesn't have human hair, so it's all good. I don't have to click this button. And going to the right side of the screen now, these settings might be important depending on how complex the background is and depending on the subject and the hair involved, etc. You can mess with these values as much as you want basically. But finally, to actually finalize the removal of this background, let's set an output option and let's click on new layer and then click OK. And that's how you remove backgrounds quickly and easily. We can then put a new background if we want underneath the subject's image. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.